observed every year on 10 December, the day on which United Nations General Assembly adopted in 1948 Universal Declaration for Human Rights. We can take action in our own daily life to uphold the right that protect us all and thereby promote the kinship of all human beings. Good morning to all, respected Principal Ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. I am Vidita of Class 8. Today I am going to present Special Assembly on Human Rights Day. Mother Teresa said that human beings are not privilege conferred by government. They are every human being entitlement by virtue of his humanity. Now I would like to call Sneha for a thought.
Good morning to all. I, Sneha of Class 8. Today I am here to present a thought. Joy is found when you focus your energy on improving human dignity, human capacity and human values. I repeat my thought. Joy is found when you focus your energy on improving human dignity, human capacity and human values. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you Sneha for a thought. Now I would like to call Priya for speech on Human Rights Day.
Very good morning to all. I am Priya of Class 8A. Today I am here to present a speech in front of you. My topic is human rights. Human rights is the basic rights and freedom that belong to every person in the world from birth until death. They apply regarding the way you choose to live your life. They can never be taken away, although they can sometimes be restricted. For example, if a person breaks the law or injures the national security. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you Priya. Now I would like to call Harsh for poem recitation.
माँ की कोख से है जो मिला वो है मानव अधिकार, न रूप है न रंग है न ही कोई आकार, कागज के कुछ पन्नों पर लिखा है ये कुछ लिखा है, जो बोलना है बोलो जहाँ जाना है जाओ, जो मर्जी धर्म अपनाओ, बस ऐसे ही अपनी जिंदगी को रंगारंग बनाओ। बस इतना ही नहीं, मानवता के नाते हमें भी निभाने होते हैं कुछ किरदार और माँ की कोख से है जो मिला वो है मानव अधिकार।
Thank you Harsh. Now they will speak some slogans related to human rights.
The rights of every man are decreased and the rights of one man are cushioned. Stand and fight together for human rights. Celebrate Human Rights Day every day. Your right give you a voice. Don't waste it, utilize it. Struggle, but only for fair and honest. Don't be laid back about this. It is your right, go and get it.
Now, Surit of Class 8 will show you some human rights. Last, not the least, it is wise to teach human rights from young age so that the world can see a better tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day.